What is binary option? The most important question of all. As I know, 80% of the students don't even know what is binary option. A binary option is a financial option which is based on fixed payoff or nothing at all. So either you get a fixed return or you don't lose anything. There are two types of binary options. Cash or nothing binary option, which means you get cash if you win it, or you get nothing, or you get asset or nothing binary option. So in that case, you earn the stock or asset of the underlying security, or you get nothing. Now, cash or nothing binary option pays fixed cash if the option expires in the money. Now, if to make it simple, there is a proposition that you believe the stock will go up. If your proposition is correct, if your assumption is correct, then you are paid fixed cash. If you're wrong, then nothing at all. Whereas asset or nothing pays underlying stock or security. So if you're trading asset or nothing binary option, then you don't pay cash, you don't get cash, you get the stock or asset on which you're trading it. Now some other options are all or nothing options, digital options that are for forex or interest rates, and fixed return options, FRO. As binary option is so simple that it is widely used by common traders. However, sophisticated investors usually don't use it, as their trading volume is high and binary option market is low in volume. So that's why you'll find many common traders trading binary options. And if you visit a professional, you will hear them say that they are trading less than 1% of their total fund in binary option. Why? Because binary option market is low. So as it is low, you cannot invest huge sums of money. Now, you might be thinking this is a bad point. But consider it otherwise. As it is a low market, so it offers common traders more chances of winning. Whereas in other markets, sophisticated traders usually control large sections of the markets. So this is the market that can help you make a good income. But the main point is your assumption, because binary option is simply yes or no options. Either you win it or you don't. That's what binary option is. Thank you.